My name is Angus Wardlaw. I'm a Director of Future for running, and I'm part of the team that's involved with creating the latest concepts and the new concepts for running. I studied mechanical engineering at university. I always had this feeling that I wanted to get into this industry. We have this tool, Aramis, which enables us to measure movement. Other companies that are using it, Boeing are using it, NASA are using it, BMW are using it. We're using the same technology to look into the human body. When you run, you move. Your foot moves, it changes shape. One thing that we saw a huge opportunity, and I have this little friend of mine here to explain, is that when you land and when you go through the gait cycle, your foot wants to expand, particularly in the metatarsal joints here. If your foot's really constrained and constricted, you're not really able to have your natural run. And everyone has different running styles and different foot shapes. And one of the great things about Aramis is it allows us to quantify all this data, and eventually we create this whole pool of data. And it basically enables us to then build a set of parameters. And that's the key thing. We use the data to feed into the design of the shoe. What we do is we cover the shoe in all these little dots. And we have these two cameras that look at the dots simultaneously. And these cameras are tracking every single dot as you go through the running gait. What they're able to do is basically measure the movement. How are things changing shape during a run? And the brighter the colour, so the red colours, the orange and yellows, is greater movement. Then we can even look from underneath the shoe.